Let's take a look at how to find summary or descriptive statistics in SPSS. Once you have opened your data set, you are ready to get going. You may do this for one column or multiple columns all at the same time. In order to do this, what we are going to do is click on the Analyze button once in SPSS, and then choose Descriptive Statistics and Frequencies. Here you make a choice. Do you want to use just one column? We move that to the variable column, or multiple columns. You can move more than one at the same time, and SPSS will provide the summary statistics for all of the columns listed, so you do not have to run the analysis several times. Next, we're going to click on the Statistics button. This will allow us to choose which values we would like to see presented. I am going to ask SPSS to provide me with the mean, the median, and the mode under central tendency, and under dispersion, I'm going to ask it to provide me with the standard deviation, the variance, and the range. This will give me an idea of how spread out the data is, as well as the measures of center. After you've collected all the statistics you would like to see, we'll hit the Continue button. Next, OK. SPSS will do its thing and provide the analysis. First off, we have our table that includes the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, and range. And you notice two columns, one for height, one for weight. If you chose only one column, you only see one present. If you chose more than two, you'll see each of these present here. This gives us an idea of the center by looking at the mean, median, and mode. We can get an idea of the typical height and the typical weight of these females that were part of the sample. We can also look at the spread through the standard deviation and variance, as well as the range, and determine how spread out the data is. Next, you will find the frequency table, and there is a frequency table for each individual variable you have chosen, and it lists the data point and the number of subjects that were a part of this data point. For example, 2 women were 44 inches tall, and 1 was 45, etc. This can be very useful when it comes to looking for outliers. For example, looking at this one woman who is 87 inches tall, and even the one who's 76. These are 2 very tall women, so we can identify them as potential outliers and see how their presence is affecting the mean. Another table will be present for your second variable, weight. Again, if you chose to have only one variable, you will only see one table. And this presents similar information for the weight. And we can look here as well and look for any outliers or data points that may cause suspicion. In this data set, I don't see anything too concerning. There is a wide range of data, 114 to 173, but there's not really any data points that are extraordinarily far away from the rest of the data. When you copy and paste into your Word document, you want to include both the statistics table as well as the frequency tables for each of your variables. This will get you ready for the SPSS assignment number 2.